What's up, guys? In today's video, we're playing arena mode, and we're gonna try to find some kids that are misbehaving and troll them. So, and also I got a new fit. Y'all like it? So tough. Let's just get into it. What I mean by misbehaving, we're just gonna troll kids.
Hey, what's up?
I tried to.
Dad, you're getting nowhere near.
I noticed you.
My God!
Wow. Wow, bro. Bro, I can't even understand what this kid's saying, bro. What the heck is this kid saying? His mic is glitchy. So mad, or he just can't pronounce.
What?
Oh, man.
Fingers.
GG's, it's not even over yet.
GG's.
Don't be a camper, bro. Camper, little bro.
Yeah, nobody likes campers. Nobody likes campers.
For real. Here, watch. He's gonna come back again.
You want me to
Watch him
explain
come
what
back.
base camping is? Alright, let's play some bangers.
Oh yeah, man. Getting ready.
This kid's misbehaving.
Yeah, let's go. You guys.
You're misbehaving, bro. Yo, there's a misbehaving kid in this lobby. This kid's getting so mad over a game. This kid's getting so mad over a monkey game. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, yo, you're this kid.
Somebody's building their wall set, bro. Right now. Anger.
Oh my gosh.
Dang, nice shot, bro.
Guys.
Get out. Bro.
Nice,
Oh
nice,
my,
nice.
this kid's getting so mad. Oh my gosh. We found someone.
What are you
Blue kid. Oh my goodness, this blue kid's getting so mad. GG's.
Go get demolished.
Are you just
Oh me.
You guys, I'll explain what base camping is.
Yo.
Base camping
Why are you
is.
getting so
I'll explain what
mad?
base camping is.
Why are you getting so
It's when
mad?
you're in the safe zone.
Why are you getting so
It's
mad?
when you're in the safe zone.
Hey, Sonion Ring, chill. Sonion Ring, chill, Sonion Ring. Chill, Sonion Ring. Whoa! Bro, this is going on YouTube. This is going on YouTube. Oh my
Hi,
god.
internet. Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube.
Hi, guys. Guys, it's a misbehaving kid. Oh my gosh, it's a misbehaving kid. It's a misbehaving kid.
Yo, can I say something to the camera?
No, you can't. No, you can't. No, you can't, little boy.
Give me some.
Sonion Ring, Sonion Ring, Sonion Ring,
Bro, are we serious?
Sonion Ring. Little kid. Little kid.
Yeah, he really did just say Sonion Ring.
I have Sonion Ring, bro. Sonion Ring. Bro, this blue kid is such a Sonion Ring, bro.
What does Sonion Ring even mean, bro?
What does onion ring even mean, bro? Am I an onion ring? What?
Yeah, you're a big fat onion ring, bro. You're a big fat onion ring.
Give me my onion ring. What does that even mean, bro? What does it even mean?
Bro. Oh my gosh. I mean, does it really matter? It's just a saying, bro. You don't need to know what it means.
I don't wanna hurt
Why should you though? Why should you?
Yeah, I don't wanna.
Why should you know what it means, bro? You've been misbehaving the whole time. Oh my god.
Oh, now I just wasted all my ammo.
Sonion Ring. Sonion
What does it
Ring.
mean? I need to know. Or I want to know. Maybe I need to. Woo! Kitty stab!
Oh,
Yo. Oh my goodness.
what is this crocodile on, bro?
What are you on?
He's on that crocodile
What are
stuff,
you
bro.
on, bro? Does it matter?
I'm on that blue stuff. You're on that crocodile stuff.
Yeah, I am, bro. That's so good. It's so good, bro. Bro, that blue stuff tastes like poop, bro. You have a bad taste. You have bad taste, bro. That blue stuff
Just
tastes
like
like
that crocodile stuff.
that
Just
blue
like that
stuff.
crocodile stuff.
That blue stuff tastes like poop, bro.
How do you know how it tastes?
Because
You just had that
you know how I
crocodile
know it? Because you smell like it. That's why. Oh.
But you haven't even tried it, so maybe you don't.
Oh nah, bro's really camping on the rock. That's crazy.
You just figured.
Sonion Ring. Nah, you're giving me the silent treatment? Oh, how rude. So rude. I'm done. I'm done. Okay, I think I've raised this blue kid enough.
Hey, yo,
Okay, I'm done. I'm done, bro. That's it for today's video, guys. We found a misbehaving child. Successful. Peace out, y'all. Oh, man.